Hey everyone, Dr. Nadia Rizzo here, naturopathic doctor, and I am sitting here. We're having technical issues. See, this always happens. There we go. I'm sitting here with my friend Katie from the Meal Prep Company, and we're here to talk about a special offer that we have for you. We are teaming up to make your life healthier and easier. So the number one thing I see people in private practice for is diet counseling. People just don't know what to eat because it's overwhelming. I get it. There's so much information out there, and how do we sort through it all? So people come to see me and they get a whole medical workup, and then we're adjusting our camera here. Okay. So hi Julie, we see you're logging on. Hey Julie. So people come to me to get a whole medical workup, and I give them a personalized diet plan. How much protein can you eat per day? How much protein per meal? What should you be eating? What should you not be eating? Carbs, blah, blah. It is completely taken care of. But then people go home and they're like, oh my God, Nadia, I just can't deal with the prep. I can't deal with having to cook. I can't deal with having to grocery shop for this. It takes up a lot of time, and time is money, and time is precious. So we are taking it a step further, and the Meal Prep Company is going to take my prescription and they are going to cook your meals specifically for you. Perfectly portioned, the amount of protein you need per meal, the amount of carbs, what you can and what you can't eat. You can't screw it up because they're taking my prescription that is made specifically for you to reach your goals, and they are eliminating the problem and the hassle and the burden. Single mama over here, time is precious. The burden of having to cook, right? So, Katie, tell us a little bit about your services.
So hi everyone, I'm Katie from the Meal Prep Company. A little bit about us. We specialize in healthy portion meals to go. A little extra about us, we're super picky about our product. We carry top product only. All of our proteins that we carry, all of our fish is all wild caught fish, no farm fish here. All of our chicken is AAA, or our beef is AAA Canadian beef. All of our chicken is all natural, no pump chicken. All of our fruits and vegetables, fresh, never frozen. So we've been super picky about our product. We carry a good product that you're gonna love, and it's gonna be delicious and healthy as well. Going above and beyond that, we also do customized meals. So we're teaming up with Dr. Nadia here. Like she said, she's gonna put together an awesome meal plan that is specialized just for you. And we can help you with that. We can help you customize that. We can do everything for you. We can take all of the work out of it. Like she said, life is busy, it's too much, too scary, too whatever. We can do all of the work for you. So also, we do delivery.
Yes.
Delivery twice a week, Tuesdays and Saturdays. We can deliver right to your doorstep. So literally you don't have to cook, you don't have to come and get it. Dr. Nadia can do her part, we can do our part. So come check us out at the Meal Prep Company.
I just love that. I just feel like I just can exhale. I feel like a burden just got lifted. I'm like, I don't even have to pick it up. Even though I'm here all the time with the protein bar, I suggest to check it out. So you can catch me at 519-967-0004 at my South Windsor clinic. We are on the corner of Dougal and Cabana in the Tim Hortons Plaza. And these beautiful people, her hubby is behind the camera. These beautiful people are just next door to the clinic. So it's a one-stop shop. What's your number here?
226-221-9797.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you again soon, okay?
Bye.